Hi, my name is Fahad, and I contacted Kuwait Driving School 2 days before my exam, and thankfully they were able to help me out like urgently, and the support has been unreal. Mr. Manoj here, he's helped me learn how to parallel park. We went on a Jazeera road, a thin road, a narrow road, and it's been wonderful. He's been of so much help. He doesn't even just teach you the techniques itself. He also teaches you some tips and tricks, like with the back door, lining it up, and so on. If you're ever even if you need any help driving, I strongly recommend Kuwait Driving School. I've had an amazing time, and he's a great person to talk to in the car. The car rides are never boring, So